Heart of Darkness is a short novel written by Polish British author Joseph Conrad and first published in 1899. The story follows the journey of the protagonist, British seaman Marlow, as he travels up the Congo River in search of Kurtz, a missing trading station commander. The novel explores themes of racism, imperialism, greed, and human disintegration in harsh circumstances. It is characterized by Conrad's style, which blends realism, symbolism, and suspense in the narration of the story. Heart of Darkness is one of Conrad's most famous works and has inspired numerous literary and artistic works, such as the film Apocalypse, now by American director Francis Ford Coppola, which depicted the events in Vietnam instead of Africa, and used the novel as a powerful source of inspiration, a turning point in Western literature, by shifting from the stereotypical image of Africans as exotic and uncivilized to a more realistic and humanistic portrayal. The novel's complex narrative style includes symbols, paradoxes, and a quasi-personal style of narration. The language is elegant, poetic, and mysterious, which makes the reader enjoy the style more than the story itself. Overall, Heart of Darkness is a powerful and influential novel that carries important messages about humanity, justice, freedom, and slavery, and is considered one of the classic literary works that deserve to be read and contemplated. One of the most notable aspects of Heart of Darkness is its critique of imperialism and the exploitation of colonized peoples and lands. Conrad portrays the brutality and inhumanity of the European colonizers in Africa and the devastating effects of their actions on both the colonized peoples and the colonizers themselves. The character of Kurtz, who has become a legendary figure in the novel, represents the ultimate embodiment of the darkness that lies at the heart of imperialism. Kurtz has become a godlike figure to the native people, but his descent into madness and brutality is a powerful critique of the corrupting influence of power and greed. In addition to its political and social commentary, Heart of Darkness is also a meditation on the human psyche and the nature of evil. The novel's exploration of the dark recesses of the human soul is both disturbing and compelling, and its portrayal of the struggle between good and evil is haunting and unforgettable. Overall, Heart of Darkness is a complex and deeply layered work of literature that continues to captivate and challenge readers more than a century after its initial publication. Its themes and imagery remain relevant today, and its influence on literature and popular